Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive.
Wow! Look at this green character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number block 40. Let's start drawing. First, draw a rectangle for the main body. A nice tall body. Perfect! Now draw the lower body underneath. A nice pointed base, like a little stand. Now draw 3 vertical lines. Inside the lower body, draw 3 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lots of little blocks appearing. Now draw 4 horizontal lines. Inside the main body,
4 and 5 and 6 so bright, 7
and 4 horizontal lines inside the lower body too.
we repeat, counting steps with
10, 20, 30, and 40. All together that makes 40 blocks. Now let's draw the face. Draw the eyes. Now add the eye detail, the pupils inside the eyes. Looking great! Now draw the eyebrows above the eyes. Now draw the happy smile mouth. And finally, at the very top, write the number 40. Our drawing is complete.
Hello, everyone. I am Sprunki number block 40. Coloring time! First, pick up the black color. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eyes black. Did you know black is the color of night skies and shiny shoes? Sharp and clear. Now pick up dark green. Spell dark green. D-A-R-K-G-R-E-E-N. Dark green. Color the eye outlines dark green. Color the eyebrows dark green too. And the smile outline dark green. Fun fact, dark green looks like leaves deep in the forest. So bold. And now the final color. Pick up soft green. Spell soft green. S-O-F-T-G-R-E-E-N. Soft green. Color the whole body soft green. Fun fact, soft green is light and gentle, like fresh spring grass. So 40. One more fun game before we go. Let's count all the blocks together. Can you keep up? 10, 20, 30, 40. Wow, you did it! Great counting!
numbers make learning fun. 4 and 5 and 6 so bright, 7, 8 all day and night. Sprunki sings and we repeat.
Can you guess how many colors Sprunki 40 will have? Is it 2? Is it 3? Or is it 3 colors? Shout it out loud.
Shout hooray! Learning numbers every day. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout. 9 and 10, let's Big Ben a gay. Numbers growing feels so cool. Learning makes you bright in school.
Amazing job, super learners! Today you drew a main body, a lower body, and lots of little blocks. Eyes, eyebrows, and a happy smile. And colored every color. Black, dark green, and soft green. You are a superstar artist. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Sprunki songs will take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way. Count and ring.
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo.
See you next time for more fun adventures.